But one segment of the bank has got full marks, and that's the small finance banks. AU Small Finance Bank has done some fundraising of over 1,000 crores from Temasek Holdings. Deepak Jain, the CFO of AU Small Finance Bank, joins us now. Good morning, Deepak. Thank you very much for joining us. Can you first tell us some facts about the capital? How many shares are issued to them? Do they get a board seat? Details like that?
Yeah, good morning, CNBC. Good morning, Lata. As you know, the bank is growing last year with 60% growth in disbursement and 50% growth in AUM. So, company decided to think about to raise the capital to cater the future need of our growth. So, we got a term sheet from Temasek, which is a binding term sheet in which they told to invest 1,000 crore in the AU Bank in form of equity and convertible warrants. The money will come in two tranches. First tranche will come in next June 18, which will be around 47.5%, 475 crore rupees, and rest 525 crore will come within 18 months, which will near to December 19. By which this investment they will get 4.81% holding in the bank. This is the largest investment in AU. After 2012, company is raising 1,000 crore capital.
Is the equity dilution?
So the price is valued at the SEBI floor price, which is 2 weeks average price defined by the SEBI in their formula. The price is coming 692 per share.
Okay. So Mr. Jain, with this capital raising, what is your total capital adequacy ratio at the moment? And do you need any more capital in the near future?
So as on 31st March, our capital adequacy was 19%, consisting of 18% Tier 1 and 1% was near to Tier 2 capital.
Okay.
By infusion of this capital, we will able to maintain our overall capital adequacy ratio more than 18%, consisting of around near to 16% in Tier 1 form and rest will be in Tier 2 form.
Okay.
And we don't see any further Tier 1 raise because we are getting this money in two tranches in next 18 to 24 months.
So for 24 months you won't need capital, is what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. What will this do to margins immediately? I guess you can improve them?
Yeah, definitely. It will help to improve our margins also.
Okay. What about business otherwise? I mean, we are getting some reports that, you know, the SME business has not seen a great amount of pickup in terms of loans. The sentiment has been quite muted. Would you agree? And what's the growth outlook like for the next 1 year?
No, I told you that we did a growth of 50% last year in terms of AUM, and we are emphasizing the same will be continue. And since we are in a very deeper penetration in the market in the rural areas and semi-urban areas, and we are looking very good demand in the market, we don't see any challenges into taking the growth in next 2 years.
There is a brokerage which has said that they expect your assets under management to grow over the next 2-3 years. I think up to FY20, they expect a growth of 33% compounded annual growth. Is that fair or you can do better?
Yeah, it will be better than that. I can say that.
Oh, very good. That's good to hear. And what may you be able to therefore give in terms of an ROE?
ROE last year was around 14%, and this capital raise will also help to maintain the same. And since the growth is good in the bank with good ROIs, so we expect the same level will be maintained.
Okay. And any other capital raising at all for the next 24 months? Anything else?
No, nothing. The rest will be taken care by the Tier 2 capital only.
Okay. You said your margins will improve. How much you think?
So it depends on the interest rate cycle basically, which although it is an upward trend, but we think it will be some cool down. So the margins which our NIM was around 5.2% in March 18. So we think it will be near to in the same range.
Okay.
In spite of increase of interest rate.
Can your NPAs fall further? And your provision cover is only 37. You may want to increase that?
So it will be grow gradually, because if you remember in till March 17 we were writing off our loan more than 360 days. So now we are making provisions from once we become bank from 1st April 2017. So it will be grow gradually over a period of time. because now the provision amount will be higher than, because earlier we are writing off that loan.
Okay, Mr. Jain, thank you for joining us and giving us your time. That's the word coming in from AU Small Finance. The stock is doing well. Yes, very good numbers.
Raising capital at this level and being able to promise well over 33% compounded annual growth for the next 3 years is extremely positive.
It is, and you know, for the market as well, the Bank Nifty is really leading the market forward. So you have a lot of banks, even in the broader markets, Canara Bank, SBI, PNB, Union, ICICI, all doing well. We'll take a break on